Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about get started with your Azure Cloud journey guide, and I'm going to spend time on discussing Azure subscription. Let's have a deep dive session on Azure subscription. Agenda for today's discussion. What is Azure subscription? Azure subscription offer detail, guide to create a free trial subscription, organize Azure resource effectively, move subscription between offer type. What is Azure subscription? Subscriptions are a unit of management, billing, and scale within the Azure. Subscription provide a management boundary for governance and isolation. Subscription serves as a unit, allows component workload can scale within the subscription limit. Subscription play a critical role when you are designing for large scale Azure adoption. Subscription serves as boundaries for Azure policies, Azure role-based access control, blueprint, billing, etc. In simple terms, subscription stand for a Azure account and you need in order to get started with your Azure services or building your environment. Subscription offer detail. So Azure offer is a type of subscription you purchase for your resources. So this is what you basically need to decide before you get started with your subscription. There are some key offer type being used most of the users and organization across the globe, and I'm going to provide in a table at the right side. So you see here, free trial. This particular subscription type is only for learning. You're not supposed to develop any production environment in this workload, but of course you can build any service based on the credit you have available from Microsoft. Pay-as-you-go offering. And this is something you ideally use when you upgrade your subscription from free trial to pay-as-you-go. And then, like you can have connect your credit card for billing and you use uh, your services, you will be paid based on the usage. Then most use offer type across the enterprise organization is enterprise agreement. And this is like something you purchase with your Microsoft representative, and there are many different sub-offer type included in the enterprise agreement. So purchase Microsoft services under a enterprise agreement, enrollment for education solutions, server cloud enrollment, or Microsoft customer agreement MCA. And this is something you can sign up with Microsoft representative. Then you have a Visual Studio. There is a few more type available, but I listed only the few, which is like a key being used by different organization, and this is mostly used by the developer. So MSDN platform subscriber, Visual Studio Professional subscriber, Visual Studio Enterprise subscriber, Visual Studio Test Professional subscriber. This is this kind of offer type or subscription offer type comes with the MSDN license type. So it's depend like what license you purchase on MSDN, you will get the subscription, and there is a free credit available on monthly basis that you can use to learn some of your Azure services. Now, to create a free trial subscription, this is like you basically, as I explained, you can use the free trial subscription for your learning purpose. I'm not going to deep dive about how you create it. You just follow the link, and I'm going to upload this link in the description of this video. You can use the click on the link, subscribe it, and you are good to go. There are some key benefit or offering from Microsoft when you subscribe for free trial. So this is like you see what you get. When you subscribe for free trial, you get 12 months free services. And there are lots of powerful services available for uh, free, 40 plus other service free always. There are some like services, for example, Key Vault and something. Those are free always for you to consume. And then you uh, Microsoft support you in your learning with USD 200 Azure credit. So you get this $200 for you to start your cloud journey. You will have 30 days to use it in addition to free services. So basically, like you can consume this price within 30 days. Now, once you got your subscription, how you going to organize your resources? So let's deep dive something about the four layer of Azure resources. First comes with management group. Management group help you to manage access, policies, compliance for multiple subscriptions. All subscription in a management group automatically inherit the condition applied to the management group. So in principle, management group is a container where you have a more than one subscription hosted, and then you need them to apply the same policies, use for compliances, you apply the RBAC or some other stuff. You can have up to 6 level of management group hierarchy in your organization, excluding root management group. We had a detailed discussion about the subscription, as it says like logically associate user account with the resource they create. Each subscription has a limit or quota on the amount of resources it can create or use. Organization can use subscription to manage cost and the Azure resources created by users, team, or project. So when you are planning to use the subscriptions, make sure that you look at the limit and quota for the subscription. There are some limit are soft limit and some are the hard limit. So if your requirement is more than the limit, then it's basically advised to create a multiple subscription. And there is no cost for subscription as such. Resource group. So resource group are logical container where you can deploy and manage Azure resources like web app, database, storage account. Basically, like it's a logical container. So any service you want to provision in Azure, you need to have a resource group. And basically, it is suggested a resource group should be considered as a life cycle of resources. So any resource you provision under the resource group should be life cycle together. So when you plan the resource group, make sure that you look at the life cycle point of view of for the resources. Resources are instance of the services that you can create like virtual machine, storage, SQL, database, and all other Azure services. And now you see like how you organize the resource. So this is how it looked like when once you created your hierarchy. So top layer, your management group, then you have a one subscription on multiple subscriptions. Then you have a resource group as you see in this picture, and then you have a resources underneath of it. Now, the interesting part, Microsoft provide you a offering where you can move your subscription between the offer types. So I just had a brief discussion about moving your subscription offer type from free trial to pay as you go. But other than that, there is a lots of offer type that Microsoft support, and you can refer this link. I will post this in the document section uh, uh, of the information video description. So you can look at this link and uh, you, I think this is a guide for you if you are using a pay as you go, and if you want to move it to some other offer type, this is going to provide you the detail like whether it's possible or not possible. And this is like a description of the offer type, what basically it contains. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you guys.